Hands-on MBSE and SysML. Hands-on MBSE and SysML training. Welcome to another episode of Tonex Training. Before we start, let's see the index. Presentation topics.
What is Spacecraft MBSE with SysML? Space Systems, SSWG, CubeSats. Why MBSE and SysML are important to NASA. Who should attend MBSE SysML course? Learning opportunities, methods of learning, and workshops. All is presented by Tonex Training.
Spacecraft MBSE is a renowned approach for creating a system model. That model aims at specific engineering models integration with effective simulation advantages. It provides with a consistent source of system requirements, design, analysis as well as authentication. Spacecraft and MBSE connection was first utilized in 2007 by Inca's Space Systems Working Group, SSWG. The SSWG Challenge Team regularly conducts research about MBSE usability, performance, utilization and so on.
Want to know what made MBSE and SysML important to NASA? NASA has been extremely paying attention in innovative spacecraft model-based systems engineering, MBSE, methods integrated with SysML. The ultimate goal is to characterize, design, analysis and validating future small spacecraft missions.
Tonex offers hands-on MBSE and SysML training. This workshop is specialized for professionals, avionics and aerospace systems engineers, hardware and software design engineers, software developers and system architect, modelers, managers. Also recommended for employees interested in MBSE and SysML.
Tonex always prioritizes on innovative approach to help you learn what matters a lot to you. All the participants will experience equal opportunities to improve their knowledge and gain proficiency.
Your benefits go here. Learn how MBSE differs from traditional systems engineering. Understand the relation between MBSE and SysML diagram models. Building SysML diagrams that fit complex spacecraft system and SOS. Creating models in a SysML including packages, requirements and instructions. Developing executable SysML activity models. Analyzing and building models with calculations. Execute parametric simulations for SysML models.
Tonex also ensures quality material, tools and student guides for you. Learning method, exercises and workshops guide, course student guide, training resources and cheat sheets. Common problems what an organization usually experience.
Enjoy the latest topics with most innovative approach. How do you learn MBSE? Let us know. Request more information. Sign up for hands-on MBSE and SysML training. Visit www.tonex.com.